Going over Nvidia stock here, and you might be wondering why Nvidia stock is dipping and how far it could dip down to. With today being March 3rd, 2025, we're down about 9% today. We had a high of about like 125, 126 right before dropping all the way down to what it is now, about 114.50. Okay, so within intraday here, hitting a low of 112.28. I'm going to go ahead and show you the potential downside for Nvidia. And I'm not saying this is going to exactly happen. I'm just saying at the current price as of right now, we may have a potential dip down to about 96. 96 here, I don't think we break down below 96. I think this is just a dip opportunity. And what I would personally be doing, now I'm not telling you what to do, I'm just sharing with you personally between 96 and 117. I view this as a dip opportunity. I think the worst case scenario is a 18% dip from about 117 all the way down to about $96. That is probably the worst case scenario in my opinion. And if we measure the current price at 114 down to 96, that's mainly just a 16 or 15% dip. Now, what am I doing over time? I'm just going to be adding into Nvidia dollar cost average, small amounts at a time, because I believe long term, and eventually, I believe within March actually, within March we should get a reversal back towards the 50 EMA. Now, if I'm wrong on March, I believe at least in April could be a potential month as well where we get a test towards the 50 EMA on the daily chart, back up to about 132. So if we measure the move from 117 up to 132, that's about a 13% move up. And if we measure it from 114.50, which is where we're at currently, to the 50 EMA, that's about a 15 or 16% move. And do I think the all-time high is going to get tested? I think the first thing we want to see after 132 is going to be 142, as that's the next major resistance, right? So a 24% move towards the top side from where we're at right now. And if we're looking anywhere beyond that, 153 there is going to be the high of all time. And I do think that will be tested. And that's about a 33% move from where we're at currently. By the end of this year for 2025, my personal prediction is a test towards 180. Now, that's why I'm personally looking to add anywhere between 117 and 96. I'm not trying to time the bottom. I'm just saying as we dip down towards these ranges, and that 96 is a major support level, that's where I'll look to be adding into Nvidia stock. Okay, so purple box here, I'm just mentioning as a dip opportunity. What do I expect going into the next couple of months possibly, or even weeks? A reversal back to the 50 EMA, followed by 142, 153, and then of course within this year, keep an eye out for 180 being tested, okay? Again, not trying to time the bottom. I'm actually just, buying when those are fearful and looking to sell once it's a bit more on the greedy side. If we take a look at the RSI on the daily chart, we're at currently 36, fairly close to 30, away from 70, okay? That's why I'm personally looking to buy the dip, looking to dollar cost average into my long-term position, and in the future, I might even look to sell covered calls, all right? If you are in Nvidia, I highly recommend joining the Discord. It's free to join. There's over 32,000 members. People are sharing their knowledge, opinions, and also trade ideas. You can ask questions. Come on over to the Discord, talk about Nvidia stock. Now, if you're looking for live entries and exits on options, you can view it from 20 analysts on our Discord. We've been going on for about 5 years now, since 2020. You can join our Patreon, currently 90% off, a permanent discount, as we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So all the new members that do join, you will receive a permanent 90% off. Tiers are normally $100 to $500 a month. Right now with the 90% off discount, it's all extremely affordable and cheap. It's $10 to $50 per month. If that's something you're interested in, the link is down below in the description for both the Discord and Patreon. As for Nvidia, we'll see you in the next video. If we get towards 96, I'll definitely keep you guys updated in terms of my position. I've been adding ever since we dropped below 117. Look out for a reversal at some point towards the 50 EMA, and I'll keep making updated videos on Nvidia on a daily basis. If this is something you're interested in, turn on notifications as well. Subscribe and like the video if you want to support the channel. I'll try to keep you guys updated with my opinion on Nvidia. And again, I'm not telling you what to do. This is just what I'm personally doing. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you on the next video for Nvidia stock.